Blink Video Doorbell. Sold by Amazon. Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into one of the most popular smart home gadgets on the market right now. The Blink Video Doorbell have many smart features. It's no wonder people are buzzing about this sleek, affordable doorbell. But is it really worth your money? Let's break it down. The Blink Doorbell enables you to answer your door from anywhere with 1080p HD video and infrared night vision. Enjoy two-way audio to communicate with visitors in real time. Experience long-lasting battery life and customizable alerts for added convenience. Receive instant notifications when motion is detected or the doorbell is pressed. Connect to existing doorbell wiring or use a sync module for live view and audio. Save and share clips with a free 30-day Blink subscription plan trial or locally with sync module too. Designed for every home, it connects to doorbell wiring or alerts you via smartphone. Set up in minutes with included AA lithium batteries and Wi-Fi connection. The internal battery seal provides IP54 weather resistance for durability. Works seamlessly with Alexa for hands-free alerts and communication. Like any other tech product, it has following pros and cons. Let's find what our real users saying. Well, a lot of people love the long-lasting battery life. Many have pointed out that the battery lasts months before you need to charge it. Also, customers rave about how easy it is to set up. Seriously, most people had this up and running in under 15 minutes. Another huge perk, this thing works with Alexa. That means if you've got an Echo Show or any Alexa-enabled device, you can ask Alexa to show you who's at the door, making it incredibly convenient for smart home integration. But let's talk about some of the downsides. A few customers have mentioned that the motion detection can sometimes be overly sensitive, picking up passing cars or distant movement, so you might need to tweak the settings to avoid unnecessary alerts. Also, the doorbell doesn't come with cloud storage. You'll need to subscribe to the Blink plan if you want to store video recordings longer than a short period. Another thing to keep in mind is that while the chime app alerts are great, the actual chime that comes with the doorbell is sold separately. Some customers were a bit disappointed that the package didn't include that. So, is the Blink Video Doorbell right for you? If you're looking for an affordable, easy-to-use video doorbell with crisp video quality, long battery life, and Alexa compatibility, this could be your perfect match. However, if you need precise motion detection and don't want to pay for extra storage, you might want to explore other options. Overall, the Blink Video Doorbell offers amazing value for its price. And for anyone looking to boost their home security without breaking the bank, this one's definitely worth a try. Check the link in the description to grab yours today. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more smart home gadget reviews. Thanks for watching. Rated 4.1 stars. Order today for £32.99.